When it comes to choosing the best landing page software, the debate often comes down to Landingi versus Leadpages. But which one really stands out for building high-converting landing pages? Let's dive into the details and see which one could be the best fit for you, and stick around because, by the end, I'll be revealing an alternative that might just be a better option. First, let's talk about ease of use. Both Landingi and Leadpages have user-friendly drag-and-drop builders, but there's a difference in how intuitive they feel. Leadpages offers a simpler interface, which makes it great for beginners. You can quickly create landing pages with minimal effort. On the other hand, Landingi is slightly more advanced, offering more customization options, but that comes at the cost of a steeper learning curve. If you're looking for ease of use, Leadpages may have the edge, but if you're willing to invest a bit more time, Landingi offers flexibility that might appeal to more seasoned users. Next, let's discuss template selection. Leadpages is known for having a wide range of templates that cater to various industries. Whether you're in e-commerce, real estate, or a service-based business, you'll find something that fits. Landingi has a decent selection of templates too, but some users argue that they're not as polished or as industry-specific as what Leadpages offers. Both are competitive in this area, but Leadpages might give you more options right out of the box. The pricing structure is another key factor. Leadpages offers a tiered pricing model that starts around $37 per month for the basic plan. While that's affordable for most, some users feel it's a bit too expensive for what you get, especially since it's only limited to a few basic features. Landingi, on the other hand, starts at $29 per month, offering similar features, but with a focus on a more comprehensive package, including integrations and advanced analytics, at a slightly better value for money. However, when you factor in extra costs for certain features, it can quickly climb up. Another important point is A/B testing. This is where Landingi really stands out. If you want to test variations of your landing pages and optimize for conversions, Landingi offers robust A/B testing features in its basic plan. Leadpages, on the other hand, only includes A/B testing in its more expensive plans, which can be a deal breaker for businesses on a tighter budget. Let's not forget about integrations. Both platforms support popular integrations with email marketing tools, CRM systems, and other marketing platforms. Leadpages integrates seamlessly with tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, and Zapier. Landingi also supports integrations with a range of tools, but some users have found that it's a bit more complicated to set up compared to Leadpages. This could be a deciding factor if you're looking for hassle-free connections with your existing tools. Now, customer support is where we see another point of difference. Leadpages has an extensive knowledge base and offers live chat support, but it's been reported that response times can be slow, especially during peak hours. Landingi, however, offers 24/7 live chat support, which could be a big advantage if you need help around the clock. That said, some users have reported that the quality of support can be hit or miss with Landingi, so this is something to consider. Next, let's talk about speed and performance. Both platforms deliver good loading times, but Leadpages has an edge here, with faster page load times on average, which can lead to better conversion rates. In contrast, Landingi, though still fast, can sometimes experience slower performance depending on the complexity of the landing page. At this point, you might be thinking, both seem good, so what's the catch? Well, here's the thing. Both platforms do what they do well, but if you're truly looking for a better alternative that combines ease of use, powerful features, and unbeatable value, there's one option I'd recommend after trying them all. While Landingi and Leadpages are solid choices, if you're looking for a platform that can take your landing pages to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. With a free trial through our exclusive link, you'll not only get access to the platform's best features, but also some unique benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, to sum up, while both Landingi and Leadpages are great for building landing pages, if you're serious about optimizing your conversions and streamlining your process, give this alternative a try. You won't regret it.